no, support you or not. That's the only problem that I think women will usually have. Because I mean, this other sad thing is, and I come across this a lot. And usually when I see a couple coming in for a termination, where this guy is actually accompanying the girl, I already know it's gonna be a disaster. Or no, baby, you need to terminate because we are both students. We cannot afford this. But as soon as the procedure is done, that relationship, if it lasts a month, it's long. Those guys usually dump them and tell them, I cannot be with somebody who killed a child. But
This
kana
is
ko
just insane.
no, it is. It happens. It happens quite a lot, eh? It happens quite a lot. With the university students, you see it.
And I want to know whether one, that is true, and two, if that is the case, what do men have to do in order to provide the support to the woman's pregnancy journey?
That's a very interesting question because I remember when I fell pregnant, I was a student and my mom was freaking out and she was like, yo, do you know what you got yourself into? And then Shimani, oh yeah, nah, all those things. And wow, I was super blessed. I mean, as you saw, I also came here with my husband. That guy is like my biggest support structure.
Very chill guy, by the way.
Very cool guy.
Super chilled.
Very, very cool.
Very chilled. We are very, very different.